Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about his changes that he's making. He's saying that people are supposed to get to know him, maybe on a personal level, to know that he is not the same person that he is on social media. It's a difference with him. He laughs, he's more happier, and he's not like he is on social media. So he's imploring his followers to get to know the real him and not to be fooled by what they see on social media, because he's a happy person and he loves vibes and stuff. So watch the video as it unfolds, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment.
Have a conversation with me. You see how different I am on the phone to how I am when I'm on the live. Like I am I am a happy-go-lucky person, and I'm fun. I love to laugh. I just love to have a good time, especially when I'm not on social media. I have a selective group of people I talk to. When I talk to them, all we do is just sit on the phone and just laugh. I promise you. Listen, get to know me. Don't think I'm unhappy, because I promise you, that's the furthest thing from who I am. You know, you're. I know I am. I know I am. But clearly, people, people. Like, I don't know if they're blind. I don't know. So if person get the alert, go on your live, not comment or share your live. That means there's no. Never that. Andrea, no, never. What did you say? No. What I'm trying to say is at least give the video a like, even if Funny thing, I go to so many people's pages, and well, I used to, and even if I don't comment, I always listen, and I 90% of the time like their video, just to sort of listen. I support what you're doing, and I might not be making Anja, I might not be making sense to you, but I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. I do. I do. Dwayne, I always say stay positive. Honestly, I really am trying now. Kadisha, I promise you, like, I made a promise to myself the other day. I said, listen, I am done cursing or going back and forth with people I don't know. And the more I continue to feed in this nonsense, it's only gonna eat me up, and I have no time for it. I really don't. I really don't. It's the constant fussing lately that's turning people off. Rigo, I promise you, if you realize, if you ask, listen, look at it. Yes, I've responded to someone before, and I really did that because I felt like they was putting down my character. Like, all I have is my character. All I have is me, you know? And sometimes sometimes you can't allow people to bring you down further than where you are in life. And trust me, I feel like I'm already down, and every other day people are just pushing me further and further and further down. Like, sometimes it gets a little bit monotonous. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say to you. Sometimes it really does get a little bit monotonous and overbearing. So I'm like, listen, I have no choice but to defend myself. And like, lately I just tell myself, listen, enough of this mess. Like, people are gonna believe what they want to believe, whether you say, whether you come out and defend yourself or not. People are gonna believe what they want, and I can't turn people. Listen, all I have is myself. To be honest, Dwayne, when you do the mix up. No, listen. Kadisha, everyone on social media, whether you believe it or not, everyone talks people's business. I promise you, you people are just looking at it in a different way, because the way they make it seems is if they're not talking about people's business. But I promise you, everyone with a platform, it's mix up, even if they do it in a different way. And that is understandable, Andrea. That is understandable. I fully understand your reasoning, and I will never try and take it away from you. Dwayne, you have the blogging personality, but hey, and Jermaine, is it Jermaine? Jermaine, you see over here, I promise you, these followers over here, they are some of them are really boring. Guys, I mean no disrespect to you. Some of you are really boring. Some of you, you don't interact. Like, for example, today I came out, I said, okay, let's talk about X, Y, and Z. And the people, they shied away. And I feel like anything I bring over here that is of some kind of positive thing, they don't want to hear it. They don't want to hear it. They love the nonsense. They love the cuss. They love the cursing. And they most definitely love when you call their favorite personalities names, so they can come and curse you, run up and down. Listen, look at it. One second. Hold on. Carly Steph, I don't think I ever throw insults at you. Never. But if you feel I have, I want to apologize. If you feel like I've thrown any kind of insults in your direction. Sharon, good night. I'm just talking some things. Honest to God, I really wish my followers would interact with the things I like. For example, if I say I people, this honest, I know I say a lot of times, oh, I'm done with this, and give me credit. Give me credit. Give me credit for always willing to or wanting to try, you know? Sometimes I may relapse, absolutely. Sometimes I may relapse, right? The reason why I relapse, I'm going to tell you guys the reason why I relapse is because when I do things that is educational or informative, you guys don't want to hear it.